Good morning, one and all. Today we are celebrating Independence Day 79th. The country gained independence from British rule after struggling for more than 200 years. We lost many leaders to the freedom struggle. Our country people were imprisoned and their lives were made miserable. Our great leaders Mahatma Gandhi ji, Nehru ji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji, and Subhash Chandra Bose ji, many people and more guided us to freedom. Independence Day reminds us of the sacrifice made by our freedom fighters and we do honor of them. And thus, let us take this occasion today to rededicate ourselves to the cause of the nation and our people and stand united against all obstacles so that we can materialize the glorious India. Let us turn India into the global leader in spreading human values and universal love in the leadership of this Congress party. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for all giving me this opportunity.